Welcome everybody. This is lesson 6 of my writing course, and in this lesson we are going to cover task 1 academic essays. So let's take a look. Now let's start with some basic essential information about this type of essay. It's quite different from task 2, as we will see, and it takes a much different approach. So, task 1 should be written in a technical style, slightly different from task 2. Task 2, you put a little more of yourself into task 2. It's about your opinions and your views and your interpretation of a topic or your stance on some topic. It's a lot more about you and your thoughts. With task 1, you should not include your own opinion or your own ideas in task 1, except possibly to offer your interpretation on the trends in the data. Okay, so it's possible to write task 1 without anything of your own view or your own opinion, but it is also possible to give a little bit of interpretation on the data. Okay, sort of saying what the data means or what the data seems to suggest. Okay? Avoid words that signify your opinion in general, such as surprisingly or fortunately. This is a very common error with examinees for task 1. These words signify your opinion or a kind of stance on the data which you do not want to express. So avoid those kind of words. The minimum length of this task is 150 words. So anything 150 and above, you will not be penalized. However, an ideal length would be 175 to about 210. So as you practice task 1, try to aim for that general area. Okay, 180, 190, 200, that's a really nice length for a high-scoring Band 9 style essay. And that's what we should be aiming for. In task 1, you're given a prompt as well as some visual information. And this information can take the following forms: building plans, maps, diagrams, bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, or tables. Okay? So using that prompt and using the information that you were given, the data or the kind of visual information that you have, you need to interpret this information and explain the information to the reader.